how to delete top sources on Netflix. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to delete top sources on Netflix. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Netflix with your account. Alright, so simply from there, after logging with your Netflix account by giving your username and password, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your, if you have any subscription, you might be seeing the all of the movies and genres on your Netflix account. So from there, you'll be able to see your options, top sources at your top of the screen. So from here, I will give you a small information that Netflix didn't allow you to delete top sources from theirs. So although you can delete your list and your story from the Netflix ID, so you can delete top sources on Netflix. So this feature is not available on Netflix. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.